Sri Kurattalvan's Vaibhavam. Our ancestors used to say it is not possible to complete talking about the Vaibhavam of Sri Kurattalvan, and they go one step ahead. Even you can finish talking, that is complete talking about the Vaibhavam of Sri Ramanujar, but not Kurattalvan's Vaibhavam. So Kurattalvan's life has contributed a lot for his Acharyan as well as for Sri Vaishnavism. Kurattalvan was born in the village Kuram, which is 10 kilometers away from Kanchipuram. He was born in the year 1010, that is Kali Yugam, 4109, Saumya Varsham, Thai Madam, Thai month, Asta Nakshatram. He born 8 years before Ramanujar was born. Kurattalvan is a role model for us. When you read the stories of Alvars, Acharyans, epics, we also cultivate the good values, and we know how the life has to be led, and we know karma, and we know the effect of karma as well, and we know how to be conscious of what kind of karma we are doing. So we will do the karma as per Sri Krishna's Upadesam in Bhagavad Gita. Kurattalvan had all the qualities, good qualities like compassionate, tolerance, patience, and his devotion to God, devotion to Guru, and his vairagya, and the way he behaved towards the elders. So we also pick up all this as we read about them, we hear about them. We all should aspire for moksha, because in Vaikuntham, Nityashurigal and Muktatmas, they all enjoy the presence of Perumal. So we have taken the human form, we have the qualification, and we should aim to attain moksha. And for that, we should be aware of the karma we do, because only karma decides the birth. So Perumal, every time when he takes avataram, he establishes dharma and he destroys adharma. He rescues good people and he punishes the bad people. So when he took avataram in Treda Yugam as Ramar, Thiruvananthalvan or Adiseshan, he was born as Lakshmana, and he did service to Rama throughout his life. Then Perumal used to think that he should return, he should do the service back to Adiseshan. So in Dwapara Yuga, Perumal born as Kannan and Adiseshan was born as Balaraman. So Kannan, why he wanted to be Kannan? Because he wanted to service to Balaram, because Balaraman was elder brother. But Balaraman, he did not have much opportunity to do service to Kannan. So he was little upset about it. Then in Kali Yuga, Adiseshan took the avataram of Emperor Manar, that is Ramanujar, and Perumal took the avataram of Kurattalvan. So Sishya doing service to Acharyan. Kurattalvan as Sishyan and Ramanujar as Acharyan. And Kurattalvan, his original name was Trivatsa Sinhar. Because he had mole in his chest, the parents named him so. And in Tamil it is Thirumaru Marban. Perumal also has a mole in his chest. Kurattalvan learnt Vedas, epics, then Alvars, Pasurangal, that is Divya Prabandham, right from his young age, and he was known for his knowledge and his look, that is he was looking so handsome, and he was born in a very rich family, but nothing made him feel proud. Because he didn't give importance to all these three. His his concentration was only on doing service to Acharyan and to Perumal. How did Kurathazhwan get this name, Alvan? Once Ramanujar wanted to listen to the explanation of Thiruvalmozhi from Kurathazhwan, but Kurathazhwan was hesitant about it because he didn't want to teach his Acharyan. Having understood his mind, Ramanujar made some other arrangement. It was like explaining to his disciples like Mudaliyandan and others. And Kurathazhwan started the Pasuram, Uyar Vara Uyar Nalam Mudayavan Yavanavan. So he started explaining that Pasuram, and within few seconds he became unconscious, he got swooned, he fainted. Then immediately the disciples, they went to Ramanujar and informed about it and brought him to Kurathazhwan. Ramanujar, looking at this, he was reminded of Nammalvar, because when Nammalvar explained this Pasuram, he was also in the same position, that is, he was unconscious for nearly 6 months. So Ramanujar, thinking of this, and went near Kurathazhwan, and he was giving a pat on his back and he was calling, Alvan, Alvan. And within a few seconds, Kurathazhwan woke up, and when he was waking up, he was chanting that Uyar Vara Uyar Nalam Mudayavan Evanan, that Pasuram. And Ramanujar was thinking of this, how he got engrossed in that Pasuram, because the Pasuram says the attributes that Brahman has got the attributes, Perumal has got the attributes, whereas the non-Vaishnavites, they say it is not so. Brahman does not have attributes. So Kurathazhwan had gone into that fully. That is why he got fainted and he remained unconscious for some time. So he called him Alvan. Thinking of Nammalvar, he called him Alvan. And as he was born in Kuram, he said, you are Kurathazhwan. This is how he got the name Kurathazhwan. So there are so much to learn about Kurathazhwan. Let us listen to Kurathazhwan's Vaibhavam in coming weeks.